Ayan, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Hello to our cinema exhibitors. Maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita sa amin ni Bel dito. And of course, thank you as well, like Ms. Zell said, for always supporting, especially Star Cinema projects, yung mga projects namin sa ABS-CBN, and this upcoming project, Tayo sa Wakas. Believe it or not po, yung last big screen namin ni Belinda was 4 years ago. So ito po yung pagbabalik namin sa big screen this coming May 27. And we're really excited kasi kitang-kita na po namin ang inyong suporta at ang suporta ng ating mga supporters.
Yes, ayun po, maraming salamat po. And we're very grateful that Star Cinema celebrates its 33rd anniversary. We get to share with all of you a very special project, of course, directed by the one and only Cathy Garcia Sampana. So, supportahan niyo po ang Tayo sa Wakas. It's a film that's very close to our hearts and grabe po yung puso and dedication na inalay namin dito. And we're very excited na mapanood niyo po ito this May 27 sa cinemas.
So yes po, beginning May 27, you will get to watch Tayo sa Wakas. Kind of our comeback film, but also our bittersweet, I would say, journey of me and Belinda's career together. We are super excited to share this with you. And yes, like Belinda said, this is very personal and we've really put in a lot. So thank you so much for partnering with us. And please, let's share the word, and if we can have it sa mga cinemas po natin, nationwide, and of course, worldwide.
Yes.
That would be the best. We love you guys. Maraming salamat. Also, if we can support special ticket prices, kasi syempre alam naman natin, mahirap na po ngayon. It's not the same economy like before, and we would really like to support our fellow kababayans. So yes, let's bring back more people to the cinemas and let's support local. Maraming
Salamat po.
May we call on SayUp executives to have a quick photo op and to give our token of appreciation to our